Hi everyone, my name's Hannah and I'm going to be doing my favorite part of the brain on the amygdala. And I tried to record my presentation, like where it was just the presentation, and it was my, like a voiceover, but for some reason it's just not working. So unfortunately, I'm just going to have to present it like this. So what is the amygdala? The amygdala is a small part of the brain. And amygdala comes from the Greek word for almond. So the amygdala is like super tiny. It's part of the temporal lobe and it's on both sides of your brain. So really there's two, but it's a paired structure. It's made of neurons and glial cells. Its major function is processing emotions, and it links emotions to memory and learning. When the amygdala does not work how it's supposed to, it can cause different reactions. So I also included this picture that shows like a kind of everything, and the amygdala is right here, and you can see that the eyes and the nose are right here. So if you just go like straight back, it's like in the middle of everything. So I kind of broke down the amygdala into like three different things that I was interested in. So the first thing is the amygdala and anxiety. The most common conditions that affect the amygdala are psychiatric related or neurological related. Symptoms of anxiety include feeling nervousness and panic/fear, so you can see why the amygdala may be involved. You may overreact when something triggers your emotions, and when your amygdala becomes overstimulated, anxiety will overrule and cause panic. The next one I did was the amygdala and phobias/fear. Fear is the main emotion controlled by the amygdala. When the amygdala processes fear, it learns what is dangerous, and then when you encounter something similar in the future, you will feel those emotions again. Individuals who suffer from phobias show increased activity of the amygdala when exposed to fear-inducing stimuli conveyed on functional MRI. So I also included a little video that helps explain it better.
The amygdala is a small, almond-shaped structure in your brain responsible for fear, anxiety, aggression, sexual attraction, and pleasure. The fear that you feel during a horror movie or when you stand on the edge of a cliff is due to the amygdala. The attraction you may have to someone is also partially due to the amygdala. Think of this part as your built-in spidey sense. The amygdala is a small, almond-shaped structure in your brain.
Okay, and the last one is the amygdala and Alzheimer's disease. A study investigated whether structural changes in the amygdala occur during the earliest stages of Alzheimer's disease. And in summary, the study investigated the relationship between the amygdala volume and biomarkers, as well as neuropsychiatric measures in individuals with different cognitive statuses, ranging from cognitively normal to dementia. The analysis included adjustments for relevance to ensure the accuracy of the findings. The amygdala volumes were significantly lower with worsening disease severity. And then I also just added a fun fact because most of you know that I have a dog, Suki. And so dogs have amygdalas too. And I added this little picture that shows the dog's brain in the amygdala. And just like us, a dog's amygdala is crucial for learning memory in fear conditioning areas. So dogs also have fears just like us, and they could also have anxiety just like us. So the amygdala is pretty much the same when it comes to dogs, which I thought was really cool. And here is my works cited. Again, sorry that I had to present it like this, but thank you.